Yes, you're welcome. Hobby Life with Iyke Phelim here. Okay, today, getting into my garden, I decided to show you guys a mature ugu seed. This is one mature ugu seed in my garden. Okay, so I'm checking it out, and I think it's time to harvest this seed. How do you know when your ugu seed is mature and ready for harvest? There are many ways you check. One, check the leaves, the surrounding leaves. You can see for yourself that these leaves are no longer brand new, they are no longer fresh. The vine itself is not producing new shoots, it's not bringing out new branches or shoots from its body, showing that it's still growing actively. So right now the vine is focusing all its power on the fruit. Then after the pod is ready and mature, gradually it will dry up. And that's what you're seeing. And that's what you're seeing right there. You can see my ugu vine, the way it's made its way through the moringa leaves, moringa tree, to the rooftop of my dog house. And right on the rooftop, it produced the seed. Now I'm checking it out to see if it is strong, and yes, it is strong. If it's not mature and you press it, those ridges are gonna break. But when you press it, I was actually pressing it with all my power, and it did not break, it did not snap. So this ugu pod, this ugu seed is mature and ready for harvest. So you check out to see more other of the leaves that are drying up. I think some insects are also coming up to eat the leaves. The leaves are not looking good because the vine, the plant has used all its energy to produce the pod. And allowing the pod to grow and stay and get mature is going to have a strong toll on the plant. And that's what you're seeing right now. So next thing for me to do now is to get that seed off. Is to snap it off the vine and keep it for the next planting season. Also, you can see my Nigerian dwarf goats. They are all anticipating. Whenever they see me going into the garden, they get excited because they anticipate. They hope. They know that some snack is going to come. I'm going to be cutting some leaves for them to snack. That's the male goat, the one that is in charge of the whole territory. And those are his wives all around. And that one there is the baby. That one right there is his baby. This is the Nigerian dwarf breed. So back to my ugu. Yes, so it is time for us to cut this pod, to take it out of the branch, out of the vine, It's time for us to get it off. So that's me with my pincers. So first of all, I need to make way by removing any leaves disturbing and anything that is going to be an obstruction, just to get it off the way so I can see the main stump that's holding the seed. There we go. It has snapped. The seed is off. The seed is off. So I'm just gonna pick it up. That's the seed. Oh, very heavy and big. So yes, we just harvested a mature fluted pumpkin, also known as ugu seed. This is the seed of a popular vegetable, ugu. These goats are still looking at me and they're still waiting for their snack. See, the ridges are very strong. I'm practically using my strength to press it to see if it will snap. It did not snap, so that's a very matured pod. Okay. You see how strong and healthy it is. You see one thing with these pods, and they are very expensive when you go to the market. When you go to the market for ugu seeds, they are expensive. It's either you buy the pod like this, or you buy the ones that have been removed, that the seeds have been taken out, and they are measured in derica and in paints. Either way, they are expensive. That's the point where my princess cut it off from the vine. That's the princess there. I think I need to get some snack for these goats. The way they are looking at me, like something else not going to happen. Yeah, hold on. Sure, you guys want some fresh ugu leaves. Yeah. Let me cut that one. And cut that one. Got this one. Okay, let's see how they like the snack. You don't want to share with your women. One beautiful thing with this breed of goats is that one major reason why they are really good is they are very, very rugged and very, very disease resistant. With little procedure, you will have them and they will thrive, they will grow very well. Just that they don't grow too big in size, body size. That's why they're dwarf. They're called the Nigerian dwarf. But they are very tasty, very sweet, and very rugged. Now let's get some more leaves for them. Some more snack. So we'll choose that one and that one. That one too. Ugu is expensive in the market, so these goats are enjoying. They're eating ugu. Okay, so you guys can come now. Now I'm going to share it more evenly so everybody gets something to eat. Oga, where you take that one? Madam, you take this one. Auntie, where is Auntie? Auntie White, come here. They don't take you are not smart. Auntie White, where you take this one? Oga, you don't come back. Take that one. Share with your baby now. Share with your daughter. Be a good dad. So, I needed to harvest this ugu pod and I decided to make a video. So I'll show you guys what it looks like, the matured seed, and that's it right there, matured ugu seed. So I'm going to be bringing out the seeds and planting them when it is right time to plant. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Like, share, comment, and most importantly, have a great day.